In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your book subscription with this full 2025 guide. Let's get started. When you first want to renew your Zoho Books subscription, you'll need to visit the Zoho Books Access page. Just head over to the website and click on Access Zoho Books. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your subscription further. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the subscribe button, click on it, and it will direct you to various subscription options available to you. If you're thinking about upgrading, you'll next want to click on Upgrade Plan. This lets Zoho know you're interested in adjusting your current subscription plan. Now it's time to choose the type of upgrade that suits you best. Take a careful look at what's being offered and click Upgrade on the option you want. Remember to think about your actual needs. Do you require additional features or more user access? Consider this before proceeding. Next, you'll need to enter some specific information to tailor your subscription to your needs. Begin by typing in the number of users who will need access under this subscription. This ensures that everyone on your team who requires access gets it. Then, it's time to fill in your location details, starting with your API. This is crucial as it relates to ensuring that your subscription services are customized to your business's location needs and tax regulations. You'll also be prompted to enter your expenses claim information. This is particularly essential if you use Zoho Books to track and manage your expenses efficiently within the platform. Once you've input your expenses claim, click on Bill Pay to select your preferred payment option and continue. For businesses opting for document scanning features, you'll need to choose how many document auto scans you need each month. Click on 50 scans per month, if that's the option that fits your requirements. At this point, proceed by clicking Continue. You'll be taken to a confirmation page where you'll verify all details. Make sure everything's correct before you click Confirm to finalize these selections. Next, type in additional information: your company name, the phone number, and your complete address details. Don't forget to select your country or region, as these details are necessary for billing purposes and to ensure compliance with local laws. Once all this information has been filled out and double-checked for accuracy, go ahead and click on Make Payment, which will process the transaction and renew your subscription. Congratulations, you've successfully renewed your book's subscription. By following these steps, you ensure your subscription is up to date and you're all set for your accounting and bookkeeping tasks with Zoho Books. Don't forget to check your confirmation email to verify everything is in order and enjoy the new features or expanded access you might now have. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping!